They cook really great machines. Hi, this is Alessio. I'm a Toppy team member. Today I'll bring you inside our production facility, and at the end of the video I will reveal a secret news. We are now in the pallet inverter area and we are producing them like they are cakes. Our employees are like Italian pastry chefs. They cook really great machines. Okay, now we are in the mobile pallet changer department. Here we have some really genius people. I'm here with Nunci, he's my guy. He's the best. Department we build the Falcon Wings and the Maxi Pharma, our best-selling pallet changer machine. This is an inline system. This solution is capable of handling a very consistent production flows. Okay, now it's time to reveal the secret, but I can't say it out loud. Please, come with me. Okay, it's time. Top is going to change charter and become a benefit company. This is huge, but I can't say much now. I'll see you in the next videos.